Good evening, guys. Welcome to the market channel. Today I'll be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency coin through the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. So first thing, I'm in Nigeria, so I want to use a Nigerian fiat currency to buy. So if you look at the screen here, you see deposits and the peer-to-peer trading. So you click on peer-to-peer trading. So it will load up this page. If you look at the upper part, you see USDT, BTC, P2P, and so on. If you click on sell, load up this page. You see buy, sell at the upper part. You see USDT, BTC, BDUSD, and so on. Then let's assume I want to buy 10,000 naira worth of USDT. So I will press this filter icon here. So just to filter the amount. So I'll press yes. So it has been filtered for me. So I can see Nigeria Equities FX, and his rating is 99%. His rate is 482.4. Check that. So you can also see others vendors with their rate. So I will go for the first one because of this rating. So I've entered the amount 10,000, so I'll be getting 20.73 USDT. So I will click on buy. So then the payment method, I will select payment method. So the person is using Kuda. So I will copy the account number. Then I will go back to my bank app so that I can pay the money. And I can also message the person. You see a message icon at the upper part. I can just say are you online? So then you open up your bank app so that you can make the payment. So now the coin has been released down by the vendor. You can all see. So I just press positive review since he did well by making a fast release. Then I'll press done. So what I need to do now is now go back. I should go back to my wallet. So I'll get to my wallet. Then I'll now go to peer-to-peer. After I get my peer-to-peer, so you navigate to the peer-to-peer at the upper part. Then you click on transfer. So you transfer the money from spot wallet, from peer-to-peer wallet to spot wallet. Then my currency, like the currency I bought, is USDT. So currency I bought is USDT. So I press maximum, then transfer. So automatically it has been transferred back to the spot balance. So from the spot balance now, I can now use it to buy any coin. So let's assume I want to purchase BNB now, BNB coin. So BNB/USDT. So I'll click on buy. BNB is currently. Go to market execution, 100%. So then I'll click on buy. So once I buy, sorry, guys, is my network. Okay. So can you see now success? So it has been bought successfully. So that's all about buying coin with Binance peer-to-peer platform. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more content and press the notification button. Thank you.